back tires.
All right, you're gonna...
We need to move the forks in, or are we good?
Huh? Sweating yet?
Yeah, a little bit. Hey everybody, Jimbo here. Well, we officially made it here to Florida, and I gotta say it's been a really good journey. There's been no hiccups along the way. Everything went really smoothly. We ended up getting most of the shop unloaded into, and I'll show you that here in a minute, into the garage here in the house and into the outdoor patio. And then the rest of the stuff, the bigger stuff, which is the welding table, the plasma table, the mill, and a couple other smaller items at my son-in-law, daughter and son-in-law's house, which is just down the street. All right, so right now we're just trying to get the mill off the truck right here. We're on a little bit of a cant, a little bit of an angle right here, and it's posing a little bit of a problem because it's so tall and narrow and awkward and weight. It's being a little bit difficult. All right, ready? Beautiful.
Put up. Go forward. Tilt it down.
Hang on.
Right there.
I'm getting situated here.
Just hold it.
Yeah, I think I'm there. Hey, I wonder if I can drag it. Hey, let me see if I can drag it a little bit.
Yeah.
Back tires turning or no?
No.
Too much, man, too much. The welding table is just too heavy, too far in, and maybe this forklift isn't quite heavy enough to lift it, but we're gonna get it. We're gonna tie a strap onto it, and we're gonna pull it out. We off? Are we off?
Tilt it up. All right, that's good. Whoa. Whoa.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're good right there.
All right, I'm gonna straighten up in here. I'm gonna get.
Okay. Go. You're good right there. Do you have
All right, here we go.
10-4?
Oh, it's fine.
So it's early morning here. It's about 6:30 here in Florida, and I want to kind of give you guys a little update, kind of show you what I got going on briefly, you know, and show you where the new shop is going to go and what we got going on here. Like I mentioned, we moved most of the shop here into the house. Oh, it's dark in here, you can't really see, but right in there. I've got a lot of stuff piled in there, and let's see, let me get you into this room right here. All right, and then this is an outdoor patio that we have here to the house. And as you can see, floor to ceiling there, you know, floor to ceiling along here with stuff from the shop, and then behind me as well, floor to ceiling, and all that is pretty much the shop, packed into boxes. and I would imagine it's going to be there for about, I want to say, 2 more months, probably, maybe 3 more months. You know, things move a little bit slower here in Florida. I've taken a look at several building manufacturers that I talked to several building manufacturers prior to going with the one that I went with, and they all seem to be pretty much the same. All right, they all said the same thing. It's about 4 months from the time you start the process to the time you finish the process. So I'm in about 2 months right now. And so the next step is to get engineering from the engineering department so I can submit that to the building department for plan check. And then once I get approval, this is where the new shop is going to go, back here in this corner. Now I'm going to walk over here and I'll kind of give you a couple of different angles of where it's going to go and a couple different angles of the house here. The house is a little bit different than the one we left in Orange County, California. Now that we're in Orange County, Florida, same county, a little bit different, but that's okay. We're fine with it. We're close to the kids and grandkids, and we're currently in the process of remodeling the inside of the house, and so it's got about another week or so to go. All right, so I'm in the back corner here, and this is where the shop is going to be going, and kind of in that grassy area there. It is going to end up being, I think the final dimension was 30 by 55. Originally I wanted 30 by 60, but that is not going to work according to the city. The city says that I can't occupy more than 60% of my property with concrete, which would include driveways, houses, patios, and structures. And so I'm right at the max right there. So here's another shot. This will be the front of the garage area right here. And so that's what we're looking forward to. To kind of take you around the house and kind of show you a little bit. Now, I don't know if I'd mentioned, but we are sitting on just over a half acre. It's 0.53 of an acre. Plenty of space for what we need. I did recently, I didn't take any footage of it, I should have, but I recently had a lot of tree work done here. We cleared a lot of space out along the side right there. The trees were way overgrown. And this will be the front of the driveway going along the house and the property line to the back corner where the garage, the shop will be set up. Got a couple really beautiful oak trees here in the front yard. You know, it's a really awesome neighborhood. Really like the way that the streets are lined with oak trees on both sides. The canopies of these trees kind of go over the top. I'm gonna see if I can get a shot down the street here. Well, it's kind of a long ways away, but you'll see the idea that the oak trees actually go over the top. And you can see this down this side here as well. And then our trees, I just recently had it thinned out, but anyways, that is the scope of the work, or what's been happening right now. Here's a shot of the front of the house, in case you guys want to know. Circle driveway. Things are a little bit different here, as we know, in Florida. My attire is slightly different. I've got a set of black jeans and black long sleeve shirt, well, which is currently what I have on today, but it's a little bit different material. I'm moved to shorts here. The first 2 or 3 days I was here, it's very difficult to work in pants, jeans, black jeans and black long sleeve shirt. You just get soaking wet super fast, and it's really hard to maneuver because it just sticks to you. So my wardrobe has changed a little bit, but outside of that, everything is good. Here's another shot of this will be the driveway, and of course we are. I may have mentioned we are backed up to a golf course. This will be the 16th hole. So, anyways, that's just a little update of what's happening. When I get closer with engineering and planning, we'll lay out the building, exactly where it's going to go. I'll bring you along for that, and I'll give you some more updates on the house. We're not quite ready to move in just yet, but I think in another week or so we will. All right, until then, thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next video.